Today's date is August 23rd, 2024. It's Friday and it's about 3:30, and I'm going to whip together a Midwestern delicacy we call meatloaf. So in this this formula, I've got 3 pounds of 85% ground beef. I'm going to use probably 8 eggs, a quarter of a saltine cracker box, probably 1.5 onions, and all of this garlic stuff. All of this, I gotta clean this all up. So I'm gonna be mixing that all in this bowl right here. So I'm gonna put it on time delay, and I'll be back. Okay, I put in, these were sweet onions. I put in 1.5 sweet onions, and this is about how much we got here, about a quart. Maybe not that much, but I got all of the garlic. You can see the garlic in there, and it's a coarse cut because this is going to be a crumbly meatloaf. So I'll be back after I get all the ingredients put together. I just got to do the crackers and the eggs, salt and pepper, and that'll be it. Okay, you can see how much crackers that is. So, but it's one package. I had an accident here. You can see I was trying to open the bag, and it flew all over after I had crushed them. So anyway, now I'm going to put in about 8 eggs, and then I'll put the meat in. So I'll be back. Okay, I got it all mixed up. This is a 6 by 12 baking dish. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put some aluminum foil over this and let it cook for an hour or so out in the barbecue. So I'm going to set the barbecue up to initially go up to 500 and kind of blast it real quick, and then I bring it back down to about 350, and it'll cook that way for a couple hours. So that's where we're at. Well, as you can see, we're right around 450 right now. It'll probably go up to 500, but I'll wait another 15 minutes. I hate that rack on the top. It always pushes down stuff I'm trying to cook on in a pan. So anyway, that's where we're at. I'll be back in a while, a couple hours, I guess. Well, I just took the aluminum foil off. What happened was I was heating up the barbecue, and I left it on high. It went up to 650 degrees, and it burnt the bottom of the meatloaf. So anyway, so I'm still cooking this. It's got to go another half hour, I think. So we'll see how that all works out. But with the door open, it was at about 350. So, well, you can see what 650 degrees does to a Midwestern meatloaf. But in the end here, you can see it's pretty good. So I'm letting it sit right now. Then as I cut these slices, I'll just cut the burnt part off the bottom. See, I got pretty black. Okay, this is probably the last part of this vid, but you can see the texture there with those big chunks of onion. There's some garlic there, and it's real moist. So anyway, this is a Nebraska meatloaf. That's it for today.